was your sleep, my sweetheart? That's good. How's your stomach doing? It's feeling better. No, that's good. What about your head? Do you still feel a little bit sick? No? That's good, my sweetheart. I'm glad you're feeling better. No, sweetie, is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Maybe some water, and I could make you breakfast, yeah? Or do you want a purse? I can get you a purse. Or a brand new car. I remember the other day I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini. I can buy 3 of those for you. Or like maybe a jet. Do you want a jet? I can buy you a jet. No? You just want me to lie down here with you? Yeah, I can do that, baby. Of course I can. You know, pretty soon, it's gonna be the 3 of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know, I think it's crazy too. I really never thought in a million years that I would be a father. It's crazy, but I can honestly tell you that it really is a dream come true. And it makes me so happy. No, don't worry, baby. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, I promise. I know it's scary. It is. It's the first time for me too. But we'll learn. We'll learn together. I know our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. But don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I'll always take care of you and the baby. Let me feel your belly. Skin's so smooth. I think I can feel the baby kicking a little bit. Yeah, it's kicking a little bit. Wow. I know, I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. It's crazy. Oh, sweetie. You don't have to worry, okay? You don't have to worry, everything's gonna be okay. Of course everything's gonna be okay. You're gonna be a great mother, okay? You're gonna be a really good mother. Trust me. I know you're gonna be a You're so caring. You're so loving. You're so nurturing. I mean, that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Not only that, you would make a great MILF, so that's gonna be cool. I love you. I mean, of course, I'm gonna be a good father. I'm gonna be a good father, okay? I'm gonna love her child and I'm gonna love you. I mean, you guys are my everything. I'm gonna raise her kid the best that I can. I'm gonna take care of the baby and I'm gonna take care of you. Okay? Because you guys are my baby. And you guys are really my everything. I remember when I first saw you. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. You were amazing. And I had to come up and talk to you, so I did. I was so nervous. I was like really, really nervous. It was so nerve-wracking. But I can't believe you said yes when I asked you for your number. That was really, really shocking to me. I was really shocked. And when we went on that first date, I knew you were the one. You were so caring, you were so loving. Everything about you was amazing, and it still is. I really did know that you were the one. I knew it. I felt it. And I still remember your dress, what you wore. I still remember your perfume. I never felt love like that before, and it was love at first sight. It was love really quick. But here we are now. Look at us. We're gonna have a family soon. This has been the most amazing journey of my life. The baby's kicking right now. Yeah. Baby's kicking kind of hard. Let me grab that. Let me grab the hot water bottle for you, yeah. It's gonna make you feel better. Give me 1 second, sweetie. Here you go, sweetie. And I got you that heated water bottle for your belly. Yeah, let me put on your belly really quick. Doesn't that feel better? I'm glad it does. course, sweetie, I would do anything for you and the baby. Of course I would. Here, come close. Come close, I want to cut over a bit. You know, sweetie, you really do have the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. Your eyes are something special. And I'm not just saying that. I'm not just saying that to impress you. You know, your eyes sparkle. They do. They sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. I mean, it's kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in your beautiful eyes? I know I did. I'm serious. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty to them. But seriously, you should be really, really careful with eyes like those. Because you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. You really, really do. There's just something about your lips that just draws me in. It really does. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. Except for me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky to be with you. I mean, I can listen to you speak for hours. Your voice combines with the way your lips move. It's just so mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just wanted you to know how much I appreciate you. I do. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth. They hold so much kindness. It makes it so comforting to be with you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. But your lips are just a part of it. And your hair. I just love putting your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. I just love the way how the light shines on your hair sometimes. It just has this glow.